Well, what a day to be in cryptocurrency or in DeFi. It's been one of those insane days where people seem to be buying everything and everyone seems to be making a ton of money. Well, what's going on? Meme season. Well, it seems like it's very much here, and we're going to talk about a couple of coins that have been going crazy, as well as how you can stay safe in the crazy world of the meme coin. So smash the like on this video, subscribe if you want this sort of content. Let's get right into it. So we'll take a quick look at the blue chips, the big daddy of them all. Bitcoin has had a pretty good crazy day today. We saw a big run up earlier on, tried to test that 30k range again, got rejected, and since then we bounced all the way back down here, dropping down at 29.1. We actually had to use the 50-day EMA, to bounce off as a level of support. Now we did come back up and test that 29.4 range that we had ranged on there. We have got a couple of green candles, but what are we seeing? Everybody moving into DeFi. We thought ETH might move a little bit, not to be the case. Like we said, everybody heading over to that decentralized platform. Now we've seen a number of these coins going absolutely insane. Pepe, Aidoge, Bobo, Wall Street Baby, loads of DeFi projects going absolutely crazy. Why? Because people love a meme. That's just the reality. There is a ton of money to be made in these coins. There is also an immense risk attached to it. I'm going to talk a little bit about a few of them in this. So you guys know I've covered Pepe a little bit. We'll bring this one up on the screen right now. Pepe is a very interesting coin. Look at this volume, $83.95 million worth of volume, 50% up. It's actually broke a zero today. Crazy to top up over here and broke one of those zeros once again. We can see there, this is the crazy bit though, $5 million in volume to 58,500 holders is terrible. Okay, let's not deny this. It's terrible. So it's important that if you are getting into some of these projects, you are being sensible, you are taking some of your profits. There are people making 50k, 100k. I've even seen people pulling millions out of this, but you have to be mindful. Why do I say that? Well, when we take a look at Pepe in particular, and we look at the top holders, there is a number of big wallets holding a significant amount of money, but there is also a big amount of exchanges holding big amounts of money as well. Now, I have heard some of these big top wallets are currently blacklisted, which is a kind of benefit to the community, but at the same time, equally not great if you've got wallets that are blacklisted. But again, when you've got Mexi holding $11 million of Pepe, it probably feels like, well, it might not rug tomorrow. We've got to be honest with you. Even if some of these other big wallets here dump, there is still significant liquidity over on Mexi that this would hold. Tap in their Hubi Global, top in their Gate.io, these huge top tier exchanges with Pepe on board is absolutely crazy to think about. And like I said, when you're taking a look at the chart, it's super, super interesting. Now, when we look into this in a bit more detail, and I'm by no means a superior technical analysis guy, but what you can say is Pepe is a very interesting coin. It has obviously had these big runs up and then it kind of plateaus out before it starts again. And it's very similar to something like Shape or Doge. And you can see that it sort of holds these big level supports. Now, I've been following this for a number of weeks. You can see here, this kind of 3.6 was a really strong level of support. We run up to the 4.8s, we held there. We held at the 5.9s, and then we blasted up to the 7.3s. And equally round about this 6.4 range is kind of another real point in where we're holding our own. So you can almost argue that we could see Pepe hold around this 6.4 for another 2, 3, 4 days before trying to ascend back up again. Equally could go the other way. So it's always mindful to think about it. What's my view? I think there is a lot of mileage still in Pepe. If it's got something trading at 83.5 million just on a decentralized exchange, well, then there is a ton of opportunity still at that point. If we take a look at something like Aidoge as well, is doing very similar numbers, 13.85 million in volume, 85% up on the day. Again, the holders are 100,000 holders, 2.68 on a decentralized exchange. Once again, if we take a look at what's going on with Aidoge, you can see in number of holders, there are once again some massive amounts of money held in some huge exchanges. Gate.io, for example, holding $13.1 million. So you come down the list, you can see there's a number of other exchanges as well as some big wallets holding a significant amount of money. A lot of these are contract wallets that are holding significant amounts. So again, with Aidoge, had a massive run up. We're on the 30-minute chart, by the way, here. If we take it out a little bit further and go to the 4-hour, you can see just how incredibly big these spikes are. Now, if you're looking to get into some of these, there will naturally be pullbacks, and that is your opportunity to get back in. Again, we feel Pepe has held a level at 6.5. Could this then push on over the course of this week? Now, we have a big risky week for the cryptocurrency market in general when we have the Fed rate hikes, which you always know is a very interesting point for cryptocurrency. We're expecting 25 basis points, although it is moving slightly towards a 0, but still 78.9% expecting a 25. So we could see a market push down. We could therefore see quite a significant amount of liquidations, both in the crypto market and also in the DeFi space. So if you're holding big bags of Doge, big bags of Pepe, you might want to make some interesting decisions. You might want to think about pulling some profits, because I think if we get 25, we're still going to see the market push down. But long term, I think it's a good sign for crypto. If we look ahead, 14th of June, a lot of people expecting 0 wicks, and that could be when we could really start to see a big push up in the market. But let me know, which meme coins have you been buying in today? And let me know how much you've made. I'm really interested to know. It's been a great day to be in DeFi. It's been a great day to be trading cryptocurrency. Hope you've all made some money. But let me know down below. Smash a like on the video. Subscribe to the channel for more. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.